everyone, welcome back to Critter Creations. I'm Miss Allison.
And Miss Tristan.
And we have some box critters to do today.
We do. We are constructing these for our cardboard zoo this summer. This is my giraffe, and I constructed him out of boxes and straws and a couple of pom-poms and a big tube that I found here at the library. A couple boxes that we had, and a couple of these boxes that we used for our Minecraft pixel projects.
Yeah.
What do you have, Miss Allison?
Oh, I used a long soda box with toilet paper tubes for legs. I covered them with construction paper. I just rolled up a piece of construction paper for the tail. And I'm making a cheetah. And so I have a little box that I cut off, and I covered it with orange paper, and I made a little face with a Sharpie and cut it out and stuck it on and made some ears with the box as well. So I just used like a box and a half.
Yeah.
So if you have boxes hanging around, that's all you really need.
Yeah.
And toilet paper tubes, we always have lots of those.
Yeah, right.
So can I do my finishing touches?
Just do it.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I've got a cheetah here, and I found out that cheetahs actually have spots. I think, yes. I looked it up in a book, actually. All right, so I'm going to I have some just paint, black paint, and I'm just gonna add a few spots. And you can go crazy with this if you want to, but it just adds a little extra, and it looks more cheetah-like. Isn't that cool? So we're encouraging families and kids to create a box animal and bring it in for our cardboard animal zoo in August.
Right, right. And I also have a box over here. I'm gonna hop around this side, and this is my frog, and he's out of the box, and I just covered it in paper, and he's got some little legs made out of cardboard.
What kind of face are you gonna make for him?
I don't know, maybe a wide mouth or something.
Ooh,
Yeah.
wide mouth.
With a
wide
tongue,
mouth
with a fly,
Sounds good.
probably. And this is just another box we had here. This one, if you think, just kind of get creative with your boxes and try to think about what it looks like, right? So this one, I thought it looked like a mouth of like a hippo,
Ooh,
right?
Yeah.
With little teeth or something. So
yeah, I can see the teeth right here.
yeah, you gotta think out of the box.
Yeah.
But any recyclable materials you can get at your house that you're gonna recycle anyway, egg cartons or chip cans or
Chip cans.
yeah,
That's a
like
good
seltzer
idea.
stuff.
Seltzer bottles?
Yeah, I got plenty of those.
Oh, cool.
So
So your imagination can just take off with this. You can even make a critter that's not even a real critter.
Yeah.
You could do like an imaginary critter.
yeah,
Just
unicorn, narwhal. Oh, narwhals are real.
Narwhals
Even though
are
they're
real.
magical. Yeah.
Anyway, you get the idea. So we're encouraging families to do that this summer, and we hope that you bring in your cardboard animal for our cardboard animal zoo.
Yes, and we'll see you guys this summer for Tails and Tails.
Yes, make sure you check out all our events and follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and
Pinterest.
subscribe to Pinterest.
Yeah.
And subscribe to our YouTube channel, because we
Yeah.
have lots of cool how-to videos on our YouTube channel as well.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
See you guys.
Bye.